Here's the view from our hotel room. We are in 8662 on the 3rd floor. Very close to the pool. There's the pool down there. I love this street right here at the hotel. It's really pretty at night when it's lit up. So this is the Broadway section, and I'll show you our room. So here's our room. We have our ice bucket, our coffee pot, and also a refrigerator down there. Here is the coffee and creamer. They give you sugar, hot tea, and everything. Television, dresser. This is one of the beds, and then this actually folds down and creates another bed, and then you can fold it back up and use it for your table. Here's the bathroom area. It's a really nice sized bathroom, and then the shower. And they also provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And over here is an ironing board, a place where you can hang your clothes. And this room does have an iron and a blow dryer in it. There's a mirror for you to do your makeup, sink area, and then all the toiletry items are down at the bottom. Stepping outside our room to show how beautiful the resort is at night when it's all lit up. So this is our view for the next 2 nights at All Star Music, Broadway. I love it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already.